Would you like to improve your relationship with food, improve your food behaviours and habits, and get back on track with healthy eating? Would you like to get fitter, stronger, and have more energy? Would you like to improve your sleep, your hormonal health, your emotional and mental health, as well as your physical fitness and health? Well, focus on my new programme that's starting on Sunday. It's called the Elevate 5-week Women's Health and Wellbeing Programme, and it's specifically for women over 50. Now, every Sunday evening we'll be coming together in a live session. We'll be goal setting, accountability. I'll be providing you with all the information and coaching that you need for the week ahead. You can do it live or you can grab the recording, and then you'll have a choice of over 21 different workouts that you can choose from. Everything from walk fit to fitness Pilates to general strength and conditioning to stretch, flexibility. It's all there. You can choose what you do every day. You can do it live with me, or you can grab the recording. We've got meal plans and recipes and accountability, and it's all accessed on my platform, studiolive.club. There is a great Facebook group and community if you want it. Everything will be delivered via the site. Now, if you're ready for something new and you want to improve your health and fitness and well-being, then Elevate is the program for you. I'm going to link to all the details below. And if you have any questions or comments or feedback, do let me know, because we are starting on Sunday the 14th.